Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get unbanned from Omegle on iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step, you need to open any browser. So you can open Safari, and once you are on the Safari browser, you need to search here, that is Omegle. And once you search, so how you can open that, you simply need to open a app store and search for any VPN. So as you can see that on my smartphone there is a VPN hotspot shield. You can download any VPN from the app store and connect to the internet. So let me connect it. So now you can see that it is connecting and it takes few seconds to connect. And once it is connected, you simply need to open browser and click on omegle and it will start. So once you are on the omegle page, click on visit omegle and it will start. Click on start a chat or a video. So click on this both and click on confirm and continue and click on allow. Okay, allow the permissions, and once you allow the permissions, you are able to video chat or video call. So this is a process by which you can get unbanned from omegle on iPhone. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.